What's up, guys? It's Ready Roblox. Back to another video, back to my mayor. Today I'm doing Beast Farm. I think it's episode 6. Yeah, episode 6 of Beast Farm noob-pro. And who am I playing with?
Guys, it's Ryan.
And make sure to like and subscribe. Go for a cookie. If you turn on notification bell, you get 10 years of amazing luck and a free piece of cake. And why Ryan is in on his main account is because the noob-pro is mostly based on me, like how I'm doing. So that's why. Oh my god, dude, look at this guy. How does he have a legendary bee on when he has 5 views? I have a legendary bee, guys. I was grinding while I was not recording, but I don't know why, but I wasted all my royal jellies to get this legendary, but it was worth it. It's way worth it. Okay, so let's get from the clover field.
Dude, I'm gonna try to get
One time I got 1 point. So, dude, what? Well, guys, remember when I got 1.1 million coins? That was like insane. Let me just turn this up by 1 so I can still. Dude, how do we have the same backpack? We have the same backpack.
I'm gonna go in the 20 B's area. Or the 22, whatever.
20?
Whatever.
Bum 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 bum.
Dude, there's like nothing in here.
Really?
Yeah. There's like nothing that you could like farm.
Well, except for the ants.
Yeah. How do you make a enchanted bee?
Well, you either get the luckiest person on earth, or you get an enchanted royal jelly, which it's like if you destroy 10 million, 1 million or a 10 million sprout, there's a for a 1 million sprout, it's like a 5% chance of happening, and 10 million is like a 10% chance of getting an enchanted one. So yeah.
Wait, so how do you get a sprout? I forgot.
Sprouts?
Yeah.
Do you want me to spawn one for you?
What?
Do you want me to spawn one for you?
Yep.
Okay, I'll do it in one of the good fields, so that way you can get it done quicker. Okay?
Okay, which one are you gonna do it in?
I don't know. Let me just. I'll do it in the strawberry patch because that one has a lot of red stuff and red and white stuff. Let's hope it's a 10 million one. If it's a 10 million one, that's all for you, dude.
You have the glider.
No, I don't, because remember, this is only episode 6. I'm planning to get. Oh, I got it. This is a 500,000 one. This is like 1% chance. That's literally 1% chance. Oh my god, dude! I have another one. I have another sprout. Do you want me to use it?
Yeah.
Actually, no. Destroy this one, okay? Destroy that one. Okay. I'm gonna get a diamond egg soon. Once I do one of my quests.
Wait. How do you get a sprout?
It's just from it dropping.
Out of the sky?
No, remember on the ground, it just drops on the ground if you kill something or do anything.
Oh. more grass.
You do?
Yeah.
How come
It's all flat.
I have more space than you? Guess how much space I have? I have 100,000 space that I can carry. Why do you only have 62,000? Maybe I'm just more cracked.
Wait, how much space do you have?
I have 100,000. I have 4 Royale
How much did it cost?
What?
How much did it cost?
For what?
For the 100,000 backpack.
No, I have the same backpack as you. You know that, right? I have the same backpack as you. See? I have the same backpack as you.
Oh, you just have two?
Yeah.
I almost have no more space. Like puppies.
Dun, 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Now I should have completed one of my quests. Let me just do this, because I have enough, because why not? Plus it adds one more royal jelly. Come on! Oh my god, I have to complete one more quest. And then I should get, oh my god. Bro. Where do I find blue paw? Oh, that's from the bamboo field. That's easy.
I'm just gonna buy these things because I need these things. Thing that
I got money. I got change, bro. I got money. I got change, bro. I got money. I got change.
it really helps you get around.
Bro, why are you so loud?
What?
Okay, now you're softer. Okay, oh, wait, hello?
Hello?
Okay, that's better. You have not talked in like so long.
Really? Oh, wait, I need that. Oh. I need to kill this guy. How do you get those rain things?
It is very rare. And I just did a code for it. Hey, I summoned it, so I should be the one getting under it.
What's the code?
I don't remember. I think it was code yay. I think. Try code yay.
Y-A-Y?
Yeah, try that. Keep destroying that sprout. Because I summoned it for you.
All caps?
No, just regular. Yay.
Yes, no. I'm gonna buy a.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me just use this.
What?
Ooh, to Poppy. That is insane.
Poppy no niño.
Well, it seems like, guys, we're gonna have to end this video here. I'm gonna be grinding, so you might see me in my next video, and I might be cracked. So yeah, have a good day. Ready out. Bye.